Hi, my name is Antonie Smith. I'm a lecturer at Tshwane University of Technology in the Department of Electrical Engineering. And I also lead the AI in Education research area within the TuT AI Hub. So our project came out of a funded university research initiative where we are building an AI-powered tutoring chatbot for students. As part of that, we needed to develop a specialized AI container that could connect to our existing web platform and run both on our local GPU cluster and through online AI model APIs. Even though our team has strong AI skills, the project timeline was very tight and we simply didn't have enough time to focus properly on this part of the development. And that's where Ritesh from Augmented AI really helped us out. Ritesh stepped in and delivered exactly what we needed. And very quickly, he built a complete AI container with all the core features we asked for, including document processing, chat, summaries, and automated quiz generation. The system worked both locally and online, which was a big requirement for us. What stood out to me and the team was how efficient and professional the whole process was. Ritesh understood the problem immediately. He communicated clearly throughout and delivered a solid, well-structured solution in a very short space of time. Because of his work, we were able to move forward with our AI tutoring platform much faster than we would have otherwise, and it really made a difference to the progress of the project. Overall, working with Ritesh, and I happily recommend him to anyone looking for serious AI development done properly and on time.